You know me, I'm Rebecca. Today I'm going to talk to you about Home Air Check, how to check the quality of the air within your home. It's review time. So I reached out to Home Air Check. I actually Googled how to check the quality of the air within your home, and they came up. Great company in Michigan, where I'm from. Shout out to the Midwest. Did the whole test, returned it. We can go over my results later, which is kind of fun. But I kept this thing. When you get the test, it's a little black box, and then they have glass tubes. Depending on what test you get, it'll just sit on you just turn the little black box on, and it'll sit for up to 2 hours for just the regular VOC test, and then the formaldehyde test is at max 30 minutes, and it's just 2 different tubes. Super easy. Something to note, the initial preparation for this test, you do have to close all your doors and windows for at least 24 hours in advance, and can't cook with oil. So just 2 simple little things, and then ideal testing is between 60 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit within the home. Honestly, they have everything laid out. Their instructions are very easy, comes with your test kit. I also did the surface dust test kit, and basically you just stick it to this little sticky tape thing, dust that's been sitting for 2 weeks. Then you just put everything back in the box, put on the return shipping label that they send you, and you get your results in 5 business days. Here's the results. Goes over what will be in my air quality report. First, they go over TVOCs, where my levels are at, what this means, what is TVOCs. Then it goes into TMVOCs, so that's with mold, where my levels are at, again, what this means, and where mold sources might be coming from within the home. Goes on to share contamination index, so the overview, and really easily, nice laid out, just kind of what the contamination index category is, the severity, and then the description of that. And then this is continued as well with more. Super detailed, loved it, along with additional resources. Next is the formaldehyde report. Right now, my levels are moderate within my home, gives guidelines for exposure and major health effects that could come of it. Then it talks about possible sources that might be off-gassing formaldehyde. Last is the surface dust test results. This kind of gives overall assessment, so contaminant indicators, household indicators, and mold indicators. Then it goes into the individual categories, which is really nice. Gives a description of each, and then below it enhances on that description and the meaning of that description, along with additional resources. So that was it. Super smooth process. I really enjoyed working with Home Air Check and was so impressed. They have everything just laid out and set out really well. So I highly recommend checking out the quality of the air within your home, where you live. Check out the link below to go directly to their site and to order your test kit today.